Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best deep fryers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is T-fal stainless steel easy to clean deep fryer. The T-fal FR8000 oil filtration is clean deep fryer features a powerful 1700 watt heating element. It can cook over 2.5 pounds of food and fits up to 3.5 liters of oil. This model comes with a 2-position basket for when you are cooking and draining the excess oil from the food. And the lid of the unit has a little window so you can keep tabs on how your meal is progressing without fear of splatter. What sets this deep fryer apart is its oil filtration system. On the front of the machine, there is a dial that you turn to initiate the automatic oil filtration. The filtered oil empties into a plastic compartment in the base of the unit, and you can store it there until you are ready to fry again. This is a simple gadget. It does not have the timers and extra bells and whistles. But a good cook does not need all of that because they will always adjust their technique etc. to what they are working with. The filter option makes this thing worth its weight in gold. You will be able to clean the fry and store the oil painlessly and with no spills. All of the removable parts are dishwasher safe, so once you disassemble, you can throw the lid, basket, and oil reservoir into the dishwasher to make cleanup even easier. Pros: easy to clean, oil filtration system, dishwasher safe components. Cons: T-fal doesn't offer replacement parts for this product. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cuisinart deep fryer stainless steel. The Cuisinart 3.4 quart deep fryer comes with an 1800 watt immersion style heating element that heats up quickly and stays at your desired temperature. The stainless steel mesh basket can fit up to 1.7 pounds of food. The oil sits in a 3.4 quart removable container that features a pouring spout for effortless filtration and cleaning. This model can heat up to 375 degrees and thanks to its powerful heating element, it will stay there so long as you don't overcrowd the basket. The lid helps eliminate splatter, but the view-through window lets you keep a close eye on your food. The built-in timer also helps ensure nothing gets overcooked. If you are making French fries, they are gorgeous. Make sure to cook them according to the recipe booklet. They will be softer on the inside unless you follow the proper instructions. Our biggest complaint is that the controls are at the back of the unit, which may require you to reach over a fairly hot area to adjust times and temperatures. Also, the power cord is fairly short so you will need to have the device near an outlet. Pros: high, accurate temperatures, lid window for monitoring progress. Cons: takes up a lot of space. Controls are on the back of the unit. Number 3. Our third best pick is Presto stainless steel dual basket deep fryer. The Presto dual basket Pro fryer relies on a 1800 watt immersion element that you can remove for easy cleaning. The fryer features an adjustable thermostat and a signal light that lets you know when your oil is up to temperature. The baskets are made of lightweight metal and are shaped to fit large pieces of chicken and fish. The device comes with a 1-year limited warranty. With the large size of the unit, you need a minimum of 100 ounces of oil to use it, and the large quantity of oil takes about 15 minutes to heat. It's also helpful to keep the cover on when frying with oil to avoid splattering. When done, you can store the oil in the fryer and reuse it until your food starts to come out too greasy. The Pro Fry is versatile enough that you can steam or boil vegetables with it, too. You basically just fill the fryer with water instead of oil, turn up the heat, and put the cover on. Just make sure to thoroughly remove any oil from the machine before you use it to steam. Hot oil and water sputter and spit when mixed, which can lead to severe burns. Pros: cooks up to 12 cups or 5 pounds of food at once. Affordable. Cons: requires a lot of oil, which takes a while to heat up. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is T-fal stainless steel adjustable temperature mini deep fryer. This compact fryer won't take up much space on your counter or inside your cabinet. The mini fryer has 850 watts of power with a 1.2 liters capacity. It's the perfect size for single portions of delicious fried food. The fryer is easy to use and offers 3 temperature options. It heats up quickly due to less oil capacity and maintains heat for even frying. Although it has only minimal functions and controls, the fryer has an indicator that lets you know when the time is right to add food to hot oil, and its removable basket is dishwasher safe. The T-fal mini fryer is perfect for RVs, cabins or any place with limited space. Nice little fryer. It has a small footprint but holds quite a bit of food in the basket. We have only used it to make fried dill pickles so far, but we feel we will find more things to fry now that we have this little guy. Our complaint is that it is a lot of work to clean it out. The lid is removed to make it easy to access the area where the oil goes, but the lid is not washable. Everything is wipeable, but it's messy for sure. The instruction booklet says you can leave the oil in the fryer, and that sounds great to us. 850 watt small deep fryer for single servings of delicious fried food. Cord length 36 inches. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is DeLonghi Livenza dual zone easy clean deep fryer. One downside of using a deep fryer is having to clean it. Although modern fryer appliances make it easier to clean, some are more practical than others. The DeLonghi Livenza Easy Clean Deep Fryer is a premium appliance designed with power and convenience in mind. This fryer has a capacity for 3.3 pounds of food, ideal for those who cook large quantities at once. The fryer has dual zone technology that prevents fallen food from burning, and an oil cycle counter notifies you when an oil change is required. It also comes with adjustable temperature controls and is equipped with an easy oil drain system for hassle-free cleaning. All non-electronic parts are dishwasher safe. Easy clean drain system makes it safe and easy to reuse frying oil. Larger cool zone area prevents food from burning. This unique technology reduces odor and keeps oil clean. Lower cool zone temperature so that the oil stays cleaner for longer, up to 20%. Most parts are dishwasher safe, so grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.